Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the Nepali names for widely known birds. I have selected a few that are found all over the world. I will first identify the bird with its English name, then I will pronounce the Nepali name 3 times. Repeat after me and surprise your parents and grandparents. Let's begin.
Rooster.
भाले कुखुरा, भाले कुखुरा, भाले कुखुरा.
Hen.
पोथी कुखुरा, पोथी कुखुरा, पोथी कुखुरा.
Chick.
चल्ला कुखुरा, चल्ला कुखुरा, चल्ला कुखुरा.
Demoiselle crane.
Karyang kurung, karyang kurung, karyang kurung.
Crow.
Kaag, kaag, kaag.
Cuckoo.
Koili, koili, koili.
Dove.
Dukkur, dukkur, dukkur.
Duck.
Haas, haas, haas.
Eagle.
Cheel, cheel, cheel.
Guinea fowl.
Laukat, laukat, laukat.
Heron.
Bakullo, bakullo, bakullo.
Himalayan monal.
Dafe, dafe, dafe.
Hornbill.
Dhanesh, dhanesh, dhanesh.
Magpie robin.
Dhobini chara, dhobini chara, dhobini chara.
Owl.
Ullu, ullu, ullu.
Parrot.
Suga, suga, suga.
Partridge.
Chakura, chakura, chakura.
Peafowl.
Mayur, mayur, mayur.
Pheasant.
Kalij, kalij, kalij.
Pigeon.
Parewa, parewa, parewa.
Quail.
Battai, battai, battai.
Red vented bulbul.
Jureli, jureli, jureli.
Swan.
Rajhans, rajhans, rajhans.
Vulture.
Gidha, gidha, gidha.
Myna.
Maina, maina, maina. This concludes our presentation. Thank you and see you again for the next presentation.